Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'm going to be doing the tafsir of Surah Yusuf from ayah number 49 to 51. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So ayah number 49 says, Summa ya'ti min ba'di zalika amun fihi yughasun nasu wa fihi yasirun. And it means, and then there will come a year when people will be helped by plenty of rain and they will press grapes. So in the tafsir of this ayah, the Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam delivered the good news that after 7 years of drought, there will come a fertile year during which people will receive rain and land will produce abundance of crops. So remember that he was telling the interpretation of the dream. So there are going to be 7 fertile years, and then there are going to be 7 years of drought, and after those 7 years there's going to be a year that's going to be really fertile. So after this, let's move on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 50, and it says, وَقَالَ الْمَلِكُ ائْتُونِي بِهِ فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُ الرَّسُولُ قَالَ ارْجِعْ إِلَى رَبِّكَ فَاسْأَلْهُ مَا بَالُ النِّسْوَةِ اللَّاتِي قَطَّعْنَ أَيْدِيَهُنَّ إِنَّ رَبِّي بِكَيْدِهِنَّ عَلِيمٌ. The king said, "Bring this man to me." But when the royal messenger came to Yusuf alayhi salam, he said, "Go back to your master and ask him about the case of the women who had cut their hands. Surely my lord has full knowledge of their guile or of their plan." So moving on to the tafsir, when the king's messenger came to Yusuf alayhi salam in prison and told him about his expected release from prison, Yusuf alayhi salam refused to get out of the prison. The case of, and asked that the case of the women who was to be solved, and the people know about his innocence in that matter. So he wanted his innocence to be proved first, and then he would come out of the prison. Moving on to the last ayah for today, which is ayah number 51, it says, قَالَ مَا خَطْبُكُنَّ إِذْ رَاوَدتُّنَّ يوسف عن نفسه قلنا حاش لله ما علمنا عليه من سوء قالت امرأة العزيز الآن حسحس الحق أنا راودته عن نفسه وإنه لمن الصادقين. And it means that thereupon the king asked the women, "What happened when you sought to tempt Yusuf?" They said, "Allah forbid, Hasha lillah, we found no evil in him." The chiefs or the Aziz's wife said, "Now the truth has come to light. It is I who sought to tempt him. He indeed is truthful." So in the tafsir, when the king asked the women that what the truth was regarding Yusuf alayhi salam, they all said that he was innocent. Finally, the wife of Aziz also spoke and said that it was she who tried to seduce Yusuf alayhi salam. He was innocent and was not involved in anything. And therefore, after so many years of Yusuf alayhi salam staying in prison for no sin, for nothing, his innocence was finally proved. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further in my next video. Till then, fi amanillah.